Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to EVS subject. Today we are going to start another topic, lesson number 4. The story of a drop of water. In this lesson you will learn about water and you need to learn about sources of water and where you get water for your household activities and what is the necessity and quantity of water needed for day-to-day activities and where do you store the water and how do you store the water and some of the safety measures to be followed in storage and proper use of water. This chapter you need to learn about this. In this chapter there is a small story. Let's start this chapter with a small story. It is given in the small story. There is a drop of water and few small children like you. See, this is the drop of water and these are small children. What happens here? The drop of water is saying to the children, "Oh dear child, I am a drop of water. I am coming to the earth from the clouds." From where is the drop of water is coming? From the clouds. I am coming to the earth from the clouds, drop by drop as rain. How it is coming? A drop of water is coming as rain. How it is coming? Drop by drop as rain. I fall on you, you get wet. See, when it is raining, it falls on you. Yes or no? Yes. Then you will get wet. When rain falls on you, you get wet, isn't it? Yes. Go inside with your friends means the drop of water is saying when you are going with your friends during rain, you get wet. The children are saying, "Oh dear drop of water, I love to get wet. Where are you going?" "My friends and I will come with you, dear drop. Will you take us?" See here, children are saying to drop of water, "We love to get wet." See, when it is raining, children are like to play in the rain. Yes or no? Yes. What will you do if it is rain now? Yes. You suddenly run outside from the home and you will play and dance in the rain. Yes or no? Yes. You love to get wet, no? Yes. Here also the children love to get wet. And they are saying, "Where are you going?" "My friends, I will come with you, dear drop." They are asking to drop of water, "Will you take us?" "Where you are going? We will join with you. Please take us, dear drop of water." They are requesting to the drop of water. Then drop of water is reply, "I float to different places. It may be difficult for you to come with me." Here the drop of water is reply to the children, "It is very difficult for you to come with me because water is flowing from different places." So it is telling to children, "It is difficult to come with me." But children reply, "No, we would like to come with you." Here the children are telling, "We like to come with you, so we will face the difficulties, whatever it comes." Next, drop of water is telling, "All right, look at the picture to know the places that I flow through after I fall on the earth." The drop of water is showing the pictures of some places where it flow through. Children reply, "Oh, we are ready." See the picture here. What are these? Well, pond, river and sea. Now drop of water is telling, "All right children, you already know that the places where I get stored are called sources of water." See children, what the drop of water is telling here, these are the pictures where the water gets stored. Yes or no? Yes. So these are called sources of water. So well, pond, river and sea, these are sources of water. Here water get collected, no? So these all are sources of water. The children replied, "Dear drop of water, do you know that there are many sources of water in our place also?" The children are saying some other place sources of water. Which are those? See this picture. River, pond, stream, well, hand pump, sea, rivulet and rain. These all are what? These all are sources of water. These all are sources of water. See, in this picture there is a word grid in the middle. The sources of water are hidden. So you identify them and mark those with a pencil. Okay. This is the today's explanation. We'll see in the next class. Thank you, children.